Ellen Adarna has released screenshots and voice messages on Instagram showing alleged infidelity by Derek Ramsey during the early stages of their relationship. Calling it the Audacity era, Ellen exposed private chats allegedly showing Derek pestering another woman, whom she referred to as a side chick. She also revealed that she discovered the screenshots only 3 weeks ago, adding that this is just the beginning and that she has more receipts to release at the proper forum. Ellen warned against further smear campaigns, writing, "Ayaw palabi ug kadyosnan sa imong mga post, kay basin imong account ray malangit. Don't act too holy in your posts, your account might be the only one that ends up in heaven." In her latest IG story Q&A, when asked why she still married Derek if she already knew he was cheating, Ellen answered,
"Nakita mo ba yung post? I said I found out about it 3 weeks ago, like this month only. Okay, may nagsumbong sa akin."
Ellen shared a breakdown of screenshots allegedly showing Derek messaging another woman just 9 days into their relationship. The woman called herself a seasonal friend, while Ellen clarified that the girl is not an ex but most likely a side chick, adding that her lawyers advised her not to reveal the name. Ellen also pointed out the timing.
As much as I'd want to reveal who this girl is, I cannot. My lawyers advise me not to. I can get in trouble. Yeah, but to clarify, she is not an ex-girlfriend. She's, I think, a side chick. So, not an ex-girlfriend. Kawawa naman yung mga ex-girlfriend na walang kinalaman. But, yeah. I know this girl has always been there. They've been friends for decades and she's always been there. So, there. Yeah, so, diba? That was 9 days, 10 days into the relationship. Yes, we were not married that time yet, but if he was able to do that in our honeymoon stage, how much more? 3 months, 6 months, a year, God knows, right? Usually, yung mga babaero, if they find someone and nasa honeymoon stage, makakalimutan nila yung mga side chicks nila. And they will return to their old ways, maybe a month. But this is 9 days. So, God knows, ano pa yung iba, right? This is like, I'm amazed. It's talent. 9 days. Talent, skill. Wow. Hands down.
Ellen Adarna addressed speculation after releasing screenshots about Derek Ramsey's alleged infidelity, clarifying that the woman involved is not Pernilla, whom she describes as a very close friend.
No, I did not confront him about this. He just found out here. I'm sure if he saw this, he found out here. Never talked to him about it.
You gotta be kidding me.
I think the screenshots are enough. And if he still lies about it, oh my God. Ginaslight na nga ako. And don't tell me he's gonna gaslight the whole world. The screenshots are there, the receipts are there. Please. Okay lang yan, Day, kasi di man din maganda yung... Yeah, I'm still here because yes, my house is still being renovated and kailangan naman palayasin niya ako dito. Nandito yung anak niya sa akin, diba? So yeah, it's going to be done soon and I can't wait to move out. Hell no! If I knew about this before we got married, no! Hell no! No? If you want it, take it. I should have said this before, but I found out just recently. Try to hide it, fake it. Can't pretend anymore. Dai, about the tea and Gaza thing, I never lied, I never denied. I just did not talk about the relationship at the time because I wasn't ready. But I never denied, never lied. I just made some comments about kung sa itong billionaire, nakakatawa. And about the father of Elias, no? Well, why? Diba? Well, ba't mo minamaliit? Kasi if we're gonna talk about billionaire ka na, vibes ka to si J. Aldamas, nagka-feel pa ko ato yung billions kay he would charter a private plane for Elias during COVID just to see his son. Let's talk about private planes. Diba, if you wanna talk about billionaires, it's private planes. Well, itong isa, si Derek, he lied. He denied. And we were broken up na that time, and he said none of it is true.
Before Ellen Adarna dropped her receipts about his alleged infidelity, Derek Ramsey shared a post about the 6 stages of marriage, noting that most couples give up at stage 3. Stage 3, the frustration stage. This isn't what I signed up for. Arguments sting deeper, doubts creep in, and you wonder if you chose the wrong person.